let's see how you can easily create any chatbot flows as a complete beginner that can simply work on your Facebook page, Instagram, WhatsApp, SMS, website, chat widget, Telegram, and even on the phone calls as well. So here I am in a demo account, and as you can see here, we have connected all the channels right here. So to create a simple chatbot flows, you have to go to the flows section right here. So let me go to the flows section right here, and I am in the flows section. So click on add button over here, and here you can add a name for your chatbot flow. So let me name this particular flow as quick chatbot demo and click continue. So here you will see this sort of window over here, and here you have the option to quickly preview the chatbot flow you are creating right here. So here you will see this send message right here. So let me click on this one, and here you can actually add your chatbot flow of messages. You can add buttons, you can add images, you can also gather customer data, and you can add wait delays, and you can also add several actions as well. So let's see how to create a simple chatbot flow right here. And as you can see here, by default it says message type and omnichannel, because whatever the things you built here simply work on all the connected channels right here. So it shows all these icons right here because in this particular account we have connected all these channels right here. So here let's start building the particular simple chatbot flow right here. So here I have created some script as well. So by default let's send this sort of message. So the idea is to send a message over here and provide a discount coupon as well. So let me send this message over here. So the first is this particular message: hi there, want to get 20% off on your first purchase. So here you have to click on add content over here, and this is a text message. So let me simply choose a text over here and add this message right here. So this is the message right here, and here we want to add a button, because if the customer replies yes or no, we can simply send different messages over here. So let me add a button, and let me say yes over here, and we can also add another button as well, and let me say no. And here if the customer says yes, we can actually move them to the next step right here, and the next step is to just ask for their email address. So here let me ask for their email address over here, and here in this case we want to collect their email address. So instead of using the text over here, you have to use get user data, because we want to collect the particular customer's email. Choose this option and simply paste that particular message over here, and here you can click on edit over here and choose the reply type. By default you will see that email reply type, and here we are also collecting the email, so you can keep as it is. But if you want to collect a phone number or different data from the customer, you can choose whatever the field right here. And you can also remove this skip button, so that they can actually need to enter the email to the go to the next step. So once they share the email, so that means data was saved. So that means they actually shared the email. We want to set the email opt-in as well if you want to send any sort of emails within the platform. So choose an action over here, and in actions you will see the email actions right here. Choose email, and here set email opt-in. So that means it provides the permissions to send emails to this particular customer right here. And we have set the email opt-in as well, and now we can actually send the confirmation message which we send after the email. So select that message over here and simply send that message using the text content over here. Send it. All right, so now we are done with this particular step right here. So now we want to also send them an email like this. So just a simple email just for the demo. And here if you want to send any sort of emails, choose action button over here, and you will see this send email right here. So before that you also need to connect your email channel as well. So here if you go to the settings over here, so let me show that how to connect your email. So if you go to the settings and channels, scroll down, you will see the option to connect your email. So once you have connected your email, you can simply send any sort of email from the platform as well. So here we have connected this particular email account right here. So that's why from test chatting media and 2 is already set the customer email. So here if you come back to the email step, you see the response field is saved in the email right here. So now you can actually connect this particular thing right here, and also set any sort of messages right here. So for example, the email subject is looks like this. So the pre-header is also, let's set the same pre-header, and you can add the headline. You can even add any sort of images as you wish. And for now let me simply add this thing right here. So let me simply copy all the information and paste it over here, and here click here or let me add an emoji right here pointing down, and let me add a shop now button as well. Shop now, and open the website, and let me add chattingmedia.com. All right, so this is the email the customer will be receiving. So let me click on publish, and another important thing is that here we have a button not connected to any sort of blocks, so we want to connect this one to any other blocks as well. So let me say no worries, have a great day. And here you can also add another button right here. So let me say discount over here, and simply connect this one right here as well. So even if they say no, it will simply send them message, but they can actually press this button and come back again to this particular flow right here as well. So here now we have created this particular simple flow, and you can also delay these messages, or you can add wait delays right here and send specific follow-up messages as well later. So let me delete this for now, and let me quickly publish this particular flow and show you how this actually works. So click on this quick preview right here, and it will send you the messages as you built right here. So it says, hey there, want to get a 20% discount. So in this case, if I press on no, we should receive this sort of message right here. As you see, this is the customer message will be received. So now if I press I want a discount, it will simply ask them to provide the email. So here for the demo, let me choose this particular email right here, chattingmedia@gmail.com, and now we should receive the confirmation message over here, and it says I have just sent you the 20% discount coupon, and this particular email should be sent to the customer right there. So here, this is the email I just received from test@chattingmedia, and this is how that looks like. So if I click on shop now, it will take them directly to the particular website where they can actually make any sort of purchases. You can also easily connect this sort of chatbot flow to Instagram comments or Facebook comments automation as well. So for that, you have to go to the auto marketing right here. So here choose auto marketing, and for example, let's do Instagram comments automation. And here let me create a new comment tool. So let me say quick chatbot demo over here and click continue. And here you can track comments on all posts, and here private reply to the comment. You have to simply choose this particular flow right here, which we just created over here. And public comment reply as well. You can actually add a public comment reply when someone actually comment a specific keyword. So here you can also set specific keywords as well. For example, demo. So if someone actually comments on your Instagram post or reels as a demo, they will actually receive this sort of message in their Instagram DMs, and you can also add a public comment reply to their comments as well. So there are tons of possibilities, right? So that's a quick video on how you can actually quickly preview your chatbot flows. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.